Hey guys, today is the last part, part 4, the last video in a 4-part series of how I'm taking the ukemi, those basic movements of the hips and the feet, to help you understand why it's important to do it this way and how to use that to transform the technique into a Kaeshi Waza. Today we're taking a look at Shomen Uchi Iriminage Kaeshi Waza. We took a look at Swariwaza Kokyuho, we took a look at Ikkyo, we took a look at Shihonage, and today is Iriminage. We're here at the Texas Rock Gym where every Monday and Wednesday from 7:15 to 8 p.m. we have Aikido. If you're in the neighborhood, stop by and try out a class. Tomoko.
Yes.
So, you're going to get some bruises today?
Yes. See, I already have some bruises.
Oh man, that is a bruise, yeah.
I
Is that
know.
where? That's not a bruise. That's like a dogi mark.
This is
Yeah.
a bruise.
Really?
Erik. Yes.
And it's too bad Colin's not around.
I know.
Sorry, Colin. I can't blame it on you. We came in here about an hour ago, and we trained. And I've been looking for a way to train myself, and I had a really nice time training with Tomoko today. And you know, Monday and Wednesday I do teach, and I'm looking for more opportunities to train. Today I had the wonderful opportunity to train with you a little bit so that my Aikido doesn't get rusty. The problem with teaching Aikido is that you don't get to train.
Right.
I envy the people on the mat that are training all the time. You know, we have a 1-hour class. I teach a technique, and then they train for like, 5 minutes of the technique, and I'm just walking around trying to help people and teach people, but I don't get to train. One of the secrets of Aikido is the training, not the teaching. I know when I was young and I started Aikido, I wanted to become a teacher.
Yeah.
I wanted to teach Aikido, but that was like a big mistake. The wonderful, beautiful power of Aikido is the training, not the teaching. Though now I look at it as I've got to teach people so I can get to train with them. Once they start getting good, then I can actually train. Yeah.
That's true. That's true.
Today we're taking a look at Shomen Uchi Iriminage, the last part in a 4-part series. And on this one, when you strike and the person's going to throw you, same as the back fall, you're going to churn your hips, right? But except you're just going to keep on churning and then come in and do a Kaeshi Waza. Okay? Let me demonstrate that. Ready, Tomoko? One more. No more?
No more.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope it's helping you guys get better at Aikido. Please remember to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. And I will see you on the next episode.